Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our LW500 Latch Bar Exercise System Review. So the LW500 Latch Bar Exercise System is an attachment system for resistance bands, straps, and also chains. So we have 9 components in the system. The system consists of flat pieces and round pieces. The flat pieces are mountable, so you can create your own type of workout system with it. So let's get started. We have our elevators here. Elevators are used to elevate the bar off the floor so that you can do push-ups. Let me set my timer so I know how much time has elapsed. Okay. Single flat latch bar, single round latch bar. This comes as a pair, as does the elevators. This comes by itself if you order it that way. Basic latch bar, flat. Basic latch bar, round. It has 3 latches as opposed to 2 latches. Step it up another grade. The Deluxe Flat Latch Bar and the Deluxe Round Latch Bar. The sit-on latch bar, lay-on latch bar, flat. And this is our squat latch bar. Squat, press, curl, whatever you like to do with it. Our system comes with resistance bands if you order it that way. The resistance bands are made by ProSource. We also supply straps. Straps that have the necessary hardware for you to attach it to the latch bar in order to do your sit-ups. We have leg straps that can be attached. I do not supply them, but you can attach leg straps to your thighs and do leg exercise. Over here is the wall mount system. Anyone can make a wall mount system. You can use a flat deluxe along with a flat basic, or you could even use the flat single. However much space you have, it's your choice. When you order product to be mounted, be specific. Wall mounted will not come with anti-slip strips. It'll come with a plain front with pre-holes drilled. You may have to make the holes larger depending on the size of screws that you use. Screws or bolts. But as you can see, we have the Deluxe Latch Bar with 5 latches in 3 different places, medium, high, and low. They're mounted like that strategically so that you can do different type of exercise. So you mount yours strategically the way you want to, or you can follow my pattern. Over here we have the basic, which is mounted vertically. That's so that we can just gain more opportunities of doing our exercise. We have resistance band already connected to this Deluxe Latch Bar on the wall so that you can do different type of exercise. We have another preset up here, which are flat resistance bands, such as these, to do other various exercise. You can move them around with the carabiner anywhere you want to and in any mannerism. We have straps attached to the wall over here so that you could do another type of exercise. We have ankle straps attached so that you can attach them to your ankles and apply some tension exercise to your legs. We have a bar attached here so that you can conduct bench presses. Those are just different examples of what we have connected so that we can just go right into our exercise. As you probably noticed, most of these flat latch bars are like utility bars so that you can keep multiple things connected and continue to do your exercise. Over here on our latch bar hooks, we have pre-set up product so that we can just take them right off and do exercise. For example, we have the Deluxe on the bottom, we have the round bar on the top. Of course, you put your feet on the bottom part and you conduct your exercise. So these are pre-setups. And you see how simple that was? All you have to do is just take it off, do your exercise, and put it back. Nice and neat. Same thing. We're using a basic, upper and lower. We have a set of hand grips here. Hand grips, I guess you can see, we do a little extraction with that. We want to do the chest pull with that. And here, you have an assembly set up to do squats using the squat bar along with the Deluxe floor bar. We call it all different types of names. It's a floor bar at one point, it's a wall mount at one point. It's whatever you use it, whatever you want it to be. It's basically a base that gives you an opportunity to connect your resistance bands in order to do your workout. Because you know, there was a time that I looked around and there was nothing that the market had to use to attach your resistance bands to. So people were going crazy, attaching resistance bands to pipes, knobs, doorknobs, banisters, anything that they could get their hands on to try and use these resistance bands to do work. I came up with this idea after having hip replacement surgery in order to continue to do my exercise while I was the caretaker for my mom. This way I could do my exercise and stay at home at the same time. So that's how I came up with this idea, because I had hip surgery and I rehabilitated myself with the hip surgery, with this product after my hip surgery. I have 2 prosthetic hips and I use this product religiously. So for your convenience, we've also come up with a carry bag. This bag is a baseball bag. However, your product will fit into this bag. So when we're out there on the market long enough, we'll put our name on there. This is my logo here, okay? That's the Latch Bar workout logo. Thank you, Jinx Collection. They made my t-shirt for me. Love you, cuz. There you go. It fits right into the bag, just like that. And you can put multiple in there. You don't just have to put one, you can put multiple inside. How about that? You think we're finished? Not by chance. So, now you have your system into your bag, and it's portable at this point. Okay, we're going to zip it partially because I still have, this has a hanger feature here, which you would put inside the bag if you were zipping it up. I wanted to show you the hanger feature. So you would be able to hang this up like that. And then of course, it's a backpack, it's a shoulder pack. Put it on your shoulder, take it wherever you want to go. And you also have this huge compartment right here where you could put all sorts of goodies inside. If you wanted to put another, you want to put a latch bar, you want to put other equipment in there. You see all the product that you can put inside? How about that? We'll put both packages of resistance bands inside. So you have an extreme package of resistance bands and all of that product that you saw me put inside this makes up the Super Deluxe system. That system, let me get out my trusty book here, and I'll need a set of glasses because, you know, the eyes aren't as good as they used to be. And the Super Deluxe package sells for $329.99. And that's what we just put inside. It does not come with the squat bar. We do have packages that do come with the squat bar, but that one does not. And this bar does not fit into our carry package. However, it fits into its own sleeve. And here it is. How about that? Isn't that sharp? I think that's pretty cool. And we also have a smaller backpack, which is, once again, a single shoulder strap, and your basic latch bar will fit inside of here. I have a basic latch bar that I have preset up here. I'll just take it and put it inside just so that you can see our latch bar will fit inside. And you would also be able to add a number of additional items. This one has a double setup of straps, so that's quite a bit there. But you would additionally be able to put inside more product, resistance bands. And you would take it, throw it on your shoulder. Now you're ready to go wherever you'd like to go. So, what excuse do you have? I made it so that it's portable. You can turn any room into your own private gym. and work out personally by yourself and not worry about catching germs from other people. How otherwise do you want it? This is the best setup you've ever seen. So come on with it. Admit it. This resistance band attachment system will turn your resistance band system into a power workout system. You'll have the opportunity to do more workouts, more exercise than you have with your existing bands using the techniques however you're using them. I'm confident that my system will outdo the existing system that you have, and it'll improve your resistance band workout by 75%. How about that? That's a huge percentage. Maybe it'll even double the percentage of what you're already doing. It'll turn your resistance band system into a power band system and give you the workout that you've been waiting for. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. We're going to do a workout.